big dog.
I hate dogs. Well, I love
Is it
dogs.
still recording?
Yes.
Okay. Do I like sprain my ankle?
You.
Why are you foaming in your stomach?
Because I got to put that thing in there.
Okay. No, let me hold it. I'm gonna record you now. Oh yeah. See how you like it? You like it? Oh my gosh. See, these are our good memories, like forever. Ah, she falls. Okay, you can hold it now.
Dude,
I'll drop
speed
it.
bump.
Speed bump. Ready?
Lessons are fun. Ready? No, you gotta do it right, man. Uh-huh.
Okay, I'm embarrassed now. Come on. Show me how to do it.
First, you gotta start engine. There you go.
Oh my gosh, I feel so dumb. Okay.
There's
Oh my
evil
God,
dogs
fat
down.
strippers! Yes.
This is what fat strippers do on their free time.
Like they'd be out to here. Okay, enough of that. That's Michael Jackson Transformer.
A Michael Jackson Transformer, people. You don't see that all the time. Oh, and did you know that NYPD doesn't actually mean New York Police Department?
Yes.
It means Know Your Police Department. Oh. It's good for the all tree hug
Jeez.
around.
I mean, my flip flops. I should have been barefoot, man. Darn.
Car.
There's no car. Oh, there.
Yeah, there's a car. It's like solid ground.
So, what's so funny?
I don't know. It's only fun at night because then nobody can see you. Let's go sit in the middle of the street
Why would we do that?
because we're good like that.
You ready? This is how you throw a tantrum.
Ready? Don't hit me with a car!
Dude, I don't like this. This is freaking freaky.
Don't hit me with a car! I want to die!
Megan, get up. Where's the car come?
Then I die, and then I guess we're all out of video.
The camera.
The camera.
Hey, look, there's more Basque. We probably saw them today. We went to the Basque Festival, and they were all like...
I didn't get that. Can you do that again?
What? This? But it was amazing, okay? It's a ramp.
Dude, you could literally roll down this. Here, hold this. I'm gonna roll. Hold this. I'm gonna roll.
Okay. Hold that now.
Hold the camera and record me, man. You could like roll down there.
Are you gonna roll? What are you doing? That was great. That was great. Oh my God. Okay. See the adventures of Megan and Sabrina.
You're like recording your arm, man. That's why I'm the recording person.
Hey, maybe people want to see my bags. Sorry.
Dead bodies.
No.
Do, do,
There's
do,
a dog
do.
barking. Do.
Do, 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 do.
Dude, it's right there. Did you see it? No, my arm is asleep.
No, if you're gonna do it, you gotta do it right.
That's right. Okay, wait, hold on. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Dogs! Hello, what's your name?
It's not like they're gonna talk.
Sorry, well maybe.
Hey Sabrina, watch. This is how agents really do it.
What? What are we doing? Why are you doing all the funny stuff?
Well, if you want to do this, there was a flea.
That was lame. Boo!
Oh, you do it then.
Boo! Over that?
Yeah.
What am I supposed to do?
Just slide.
How do I slide?
That one's tall.
No.
That one's taller than most.
Dun, 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 dun.
And then you get out of the way because nobody's supposed to see you.
Exactly.
You're really bad at rolling.
I can't dive, dude. I'm in a skirt.
Here.
You'll see my freaking underwear.
You act casually.
Dude, I would so do that if I was not in a skirt.
That's why we're going to your house.
We're gonna go change, man. Yeah. Woo, woo. Okay.